Welcome to Teesside University's Open Day. Whatever your interest, today's your chance to explore our campus and ask lots of questions. Head to our Digital Life building to check in, where you'll be welcomed by our staff and student ambassadors. They're here to help answer any questions and point you in the right direction throughout the day. See our subject stands and talk to tutors directly about the courses on offer. From subject talks and student finance advice to campus tours and accommodation visits, there's plenty to see and do. Listen to subject talks from our lecturers, get personalised advice on student finance, or chat with our student ambassadors about their own experiences here. Whatever your questions, we're here to help. Throughout the day, you can explore our modern facilities, from the library and learning spaces to the Students' Union, sports spaces and accommodation. It's the perfect way to picture yourself here at Teesside. Look out for our friendly staff and student ambassadors in their blue t-shirts, who are always happy to help. Just ask if you've got any questions. And make sure that you get a tasty refreshment and snack from campus too. We hope you enjoyed coming to Teesside University's Open Day and seeing what your life could look like as a Teesside student. We hope to see you again soon.